I got gusted.
Steven moved up to Winrock this past September to train full-time for downhill. We both live in Florida, and over the last couple of years we've gone and raced in the Downhill Southeast Series. We're always at a bit of a disadvantage because it takes us a few days just to get sort of dialed in, and the length of time between riding parks and riding downhill, you know, it's just really difficult to be super competitive. Steven this year worked up from pretty much the bottom of the pack to a 4th place position at the end of the season, and we're pretty much playing catch up at this point. So he rides every day that he can at Winrock. Rain, shine, snow, whatever is going on, he's riding. This summer it was historically dry, and it was basically like a dust moon. When Steven came home for Christmas, I noticed his GoPro was covered in mud, and so I grabbed it, plugged it into my Wi-Fi. We have the GoPro subscription, which will automatically download anything that you have on your GoPro up to the GoPro cloud. And I tried to clean his GoPro up. And while I knew he'd been riding in the mud and he had told me about some of the equipment failures that he'd had, I just really had no idea and was pretty much shocked when I saw some of the footage that he was doing. Not only just the conditions and how muddy it is, but how fast he had gotten in the mud. So I'm hopeful for Steven that this season and training full-time up at Winrock will really pay off for him. And I hope you enjoy this video. It's pretty crazy.
Oh no!
Oh, there you are.
I came in pretty hot.
Yeah, we stopped after that.
Keep her moving.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, go for it. Got a leaper there.
Holy bud!
On the road.
Looking good, Tucker. Got your Patagonia on. Oh. You want to give me a hug, Matt?